Delaware, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, southeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, until 11:30 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated that up to 8 inches of rain has fallen over much of the warned area since this afternoon. Extensive flooding has occurred, especially near Middletown, but also in adjacent areas of Cecil County, Maryland. It will take several more hours for the flood waters to begin receding. Only light rain will occur in these areas the next few hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Middletown, Warwick, Sassafras, and Townsend. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions.